The 2025 Audi Pickup has become one of the most talked about topics in the auto industry, as it could mark Audi's first entry into the pickup truck market. If these rumors turn out to be true, this vehicle could completely change the way we think about luxury trucks, bringing together premium design, cutting-edge tech, and rugged performance in a single package. Official details are still under wraps, but based on Audi's recent SUV lineup, we can make some strong predictions. Take the 2025 Audi Q7 as an example. The base Q7 45 model uses a 261 horsepower turbocharged four-cylinder, while the Q7 55 features a 335 horsepower turbocharged V6 that sprints from 0 to 60 in just 5 seconds. If Audi carries this engineering into a pickup, we could be looking at one of the fastest and most capable luxury pickups in its class. The design language is expected to follow Audi's modern styling. Sharp LED lighting, an aggressive front grille, and a premium cabin loaded with digital tech. But what sets it apart is its practical pickup bed, giving Audi drivers both luxury and utility without compromise. When it comes to the release date, nothing has been confirmed yet. Still, judging from Audi's product cycle, the pickup might arrive in late 2025. Pricing will likely start on the higher side, considering Audi's reputation for premium vehicles. For reference, the 2025 Audi Q6 e-tron is expected to start at $65,000, so it's safe to assume the pickup will be in a similar range or higher depending on trim levels and performance options. In summary, the 2025 Audi Pickup has the potential to shake up the luxury truck market. If it delivers on the promises of power, speed, and Audi's signature refinement, it could quickly become the most desirable premium pickup on the road.